Hello guys, so today we are looking at x multiplied by y plus 5 plus x squared is equal to 50. So in this case, we are solving for the value of x and y. So we are having x, y plus 5 plus x squared is equal to 50. So now say that x, y plus x squared is equal to 50 minus 5. X, y plus x squared is equal to 45. Okay, so from here, you can factorize x out, leaving y plus x, and it's equal to 45. And this 45, we can break it down to be, we can get 1 times 45. Okay, we can also get 5 times 9. Okay, as a factor, then we can also get 3 times 15. Okay, so in this case, we are going to get 3 cases. So we say that case 1, case 1, we have x into bracket y plus x is equal to 1 multiplied by 45. Okay, so and then we have y plus x is equal to 45. So from here, we know x to be 1, so we have y plus 1 is equal to 45. So our y is equal to 45 minus 1, which is y is equal to 44. So for case 1, we have x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 44. Let's solve for case 2. 2, we have x into bracket y plus x is equal to 5 multiplied by 9. So in this case, our x is equal to 5. And then y plus x is equal to 9. X is 5, so we have y plus 5 is equal to 9. So our y is equal to 5 minus 9 minus 5, which is 4. Okay, so we have x is equal to 5, now y is equal to 4 for the second case. Now, the case 3, we have x, which is equal to x. Okay, let me rewrite this again. X with bracket x plus y plus x is equal to 3 multiplied by 15. So our x is equal to 3. And then y plus x is equal to 15. Since we know x to be 3, I say that y plus 3 is equal to 15. So our y is equal to 15 minus 3. So y is equal to 15 minus 3, we are getting 4. So in this case, our x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 12. So the solution set for this problem, we have x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 44. Then we have x, and x is equal to 5, y is equal to 4. And when x is equal to 3, we have y is equal to 12. So these are the solution sets for this problem. Please don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye-bye.